When our camera crew returned to the construction site, we were surprised to find the bulldozer had been silenced. Instead, there were hundreds of workers who'd been pressed into action by the unstoppable forces of the construction industry. And yet, nonetheless, these workers were, for starvation wages, building an enormous high-rise in order to satisfy the needs of the New York City population. Watch as they jackhammer, fill in gaps, take piles of dirt, and transform them into a new building. As pipes move by, the building suddenly gains in elevation. What will happen next? Stay tuned.